We often need to take a screenshot of our computer. Therefore, as a computer user, taking a screenshot using different ways is important to know. In this quick tutorial, I will show you 3 different and easiest way to take a screenshot of your computer screen. First way, probably the easiest and short way to take a screenshot. If you are using Windows 10, press the Window key and print screen key on your keyboard and it will capture a screenshot of your computer screen. To see the screenshot captured, double-click on this PC and click on Pictures and you will see the folder called Screenshots. Double-click to open the folder and you will see your screenshot in here. Second way, use the shortcut keys Window key plus W and at the bottom right corner of your computer screen you will see a small pop-up menu. Click on Full Screen Snip and your screenshot is ready. You can use pen, pencil, highlighter, eraser, roller and cropping tools for editing, and finally you can save the screenshot anywhere in your computer. Third way, come to the search bar and type here snipping tool and you will see the snipping tool appears. It is better to pin the snipping tool to taskbar so that you can use it anytime you need. Click on the snipping tool icon to open. Now select New from the window. Now you can capture any part of the screen you want. Let me take the full screenshot of my desktop. Move the cursor to the top left corner of your computer screen and press and hold the left button of your mouse and drag the mouse to the right bottom corner of your computer screen and release the button. Scroll down to view the full screenshot of your computer screen. To save the screenshot, click on the File menu and select Save As. You can give your own custom name to the screenshot and save it anywhere in the computer and click on Save. Your screenshot has been saved on desktop. You can also capture your browser screen using snipping tool and the other 2 ways I mentioned.